Hello, Jolies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're gonna make something special. It's not just about sofa, it's storage sofa. I wonder if I can get in there.
Babe, you don't have to.
Oh, it's quite spacious.
As usual, let's start from the pattern. I'm using 5 mm cardboard. It's only straight lines, so there's nothing difficult about it. I don't have to show you how to cut them. And then draw this line and also this line before sticking them together using hot glue right here. Let's just make it quick, and here it is. I'm gonna use these lines for a purpose. This is the very base part of the sofa. I'm gonna put it right here. Actually, it's really okay if you want to put it right here, flat to the bottom, but I'm gonna do it for a styling. You're gonna see it later. And then, about this hole, you can do something optional about it. If you prefer a sofa with legs, this is what you can do using some wooden dowel. Just make sure that the total height of the seat is 8 to 8.5 centimeters. But I'm not gonna use legs this time, so I'm gonna close all of them. Cover it with any other kind of paper just to cover the ugly texture of the cardboard. And then cut another piece of cardboard like this and stick it here. And then, using some felt fabric, I'm gonna disguise every hard surface of the cardboard. I don't want anybody knows that it's made out of cardboard. Don't tell anybody, it's a secret because I'm gonna sell it. For the interior part, it's okay if you prefer like this, but I don't. I really want to cover everything so nobody knows it's made out of cardboard. I wish it's not green, it's just the color I have left, so you can choose a better color. And then cut the front pattern on a thick paper, and this is the fabric I'm using. This is the real interior fabric for sofa making. It doesn't fray at all, and this is the kind of fabric that will save my life. And this is how you cut the fabric for the front side. I don't really put the measurement, it's just about like this. It's not so simple, but it's gonna be more difficult if you choose any other kind of fabric that frays. So in life, just choose anything easier as you can, just like this fabric. Oh, by the way, I put a little more paper on this part just to make it not so easy to be squeezed. And then this is the back part of the sofa, as simple as this, with the felt and the sofa fabric. And then I think I'm gonna add some more paper on this thickness, just like before, so we can squeeze it. And I'm gonna show you how to finish the corner detail. And then I'm gonna cover it and add some more fabric right here. And then we're gonna put the back part right here, but I wish I put the fabric longer right here. So I'm gonna add some more. So this is the thing. If you're using this kind of fabric that doesn't fray, you don't need to fold this part. But if you'd like to fold it, it's also okay. So it's about like this. Make it as flat as you can. It's also good. It's all about your choice. What style do you like? With the folding or not? And this is a sample of cotton fabric that frays. Of course, you have to fold it. So it's all about your choice. Whether you'd like to make your life easy or difficult. Well, I'm choosing the easy one. And something's more special about this fabric is it doesn't wrinkle easily. How good is it? Where have you been along this time? Even though it's at the bottom, I don't want it to be ugly. I'm gonna cover it with some more felt later. Remeasure a perfectly fit size seat part. Don't make it too tight because we still need to add a little fabric later. And I'm using 1 centimeter sponge. You can choose the density you like because sponge came out in different kind of densities. This time I'd like to make a stiff and boxy sofa, so I don't want to make it too soft. And then just put it like this so you can open it easily. You don't need to glue it. And then the last part, the head part. To make it thicker, I'm using 2 pieces of cardboard. And this is the total measurement. And to cover the ugly texture of the cardboard, I add some more paper to be like this. And then the fabric. Once again, I don't need to fold the edge because it doesn't fray. And just put it like this and done. For a safe space storage, you can do this. How practical it is. But I'm not completely done. As I said before, I'm gonna sell it. So I'm gonna need my brand label. I just glue it to the felt. I know sewing it would be better, but I don't have any sewing machine. And this is it. This storage sofa is so ready to keep your any confidential secret. Okay, I try to make another sofa with another fabric that frays. I fold this part. I finish it anyway with the same result but with different effort. It's like I need twice time to finish it. So, which one do you like? Easy life or difficult one? I hope you liked the video. Hopefully it's useful enough for your life. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comment down below. See you in my other video. Bye!